sa isa sa mga pinakakilalang sports sa Philippines. Not na kilala ng marami naglalaro. Kilala dahil marami nagcha-champion, maraming nagiging world-renowned players na galing sa Philippines. So deceptively easy siya, pero once you get down and play up by yourself, ilalaman mo na mahirap siya na lang. So this is called Iraq. So naka-arrange, so naka-cluster together muna yung mga balls at first. The goal is with the break shot. So yung unang shot na gagawin in this game is to break apart these balls. That's called a break shot. So ang rule dito is always the lowest numbered ball yung kailangan unang matamaan. So in this case yung 1 ball, that's the yellow one. The blue one is a 2 ball. The red one is a 3 ball. Violet one is a 4. Orange one is a 5. The green one is the 6. The brown one is the 7. The black one is the 8. And the white and yellow striped one is the 9. And this is the cue ball. So ito yung kailangan yung hit palagi using your cue stick. So this is the cue stick. So ano mga parts ng mga cue stick. So this is a jointed cue stick. So meron siyang shaft, meron siyang butt. Then sa shaft, nandun yung tip. Yung white ones yung ferrule. So yung tip yung nag-hit dun sa cue ball. Then to ensure na nabibigyan mo ng spin yung cue ball mo, kailangan mong choke. So this is called a choke. Kailangan mong i-cover yung tip ng choke to ensure na merong friction, or else lulundag lang. That's lulundag or mag-derail yung cue ball by the time na tinamaan siya ng cue stick. So that's called a miscue. So to prevent miscues, kailangan mo mag-tip. Kailangan mo isahin yung tip. So parts ng table, so ito yung table bed. Itong part na to is called the kitchen line. Ito is called the cushion, yung rubber part covered with cloth. This is called the tablecloth, the felt. Ito yung pocket. Then ano pa nga ba? Lock. So yung unang shot na break shot, so kailangan mo disperse yung mga bola. Kailangan nakalat siya. So 1 ball, 2 ball. Relinquish mo yung turn mo. Kumari, sarili ko yung kalaban ko. Kalaban mo na yung take ng turn. Times na hindi maabot yung yung cue ball. So meron tinatawag na mechanical bridge. Yung nangyari kanina, that's called a bank shot. Combination shot, so init ko pa rin yung lowest numbered ball pero may ibang ball na nahulog. Goodness! Pero sumasablay talaga, wala tayong gagawa doon. So 4 rail bank shot sa 2, 3, 4. Yan dito. So, in real life situation, tapos na to. So, tapos naman talaga. Then, syempre, to spice things up, dito, kunwari, 10 ball. Ganun lang kadali, supposedly. Pero syempre, there's many subtle things and nuances na kailangan matutunan ng isang first-time player. So, gusto mo matuto mag-billiards, then show to your friends, practice lang ng practice, then eventually you'll reach that level. So, ayan, nagagawa mo itong ginagawa.